Hello! Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the functions min and max in Python. So we're going to start off. This is just a theory here. So say we've got an empty array and then fill it with like values such as those. If we were to print the minimum of r and print the maximum, we should get 1 and 5. Just like that. 1 and 5. We want to make something at least sort of interesting. We're going to ask the user to input a bunch of numbers and use a random number like negative 71 or 69 or whatever to exit. So we've got numbers equals empty array. Now we ask for the input. And we'll do a while loop while n is not equal to negative 69. Then we just keep asking the input. Now this is going to have some problems, but I'll fix those later on. So we can print the maximum or highest if we want to be a little more colloquial. Maximum of the numbers array. Now we can copy and paste that, change that to minimum, and make that lowest. Save that and run. To demonstrate what the problems could be, let's enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see we have the problem that the lowest value can be, what this is counted in the maximum and minimum. We don't want that. So to counter that, we do a simple if statement. If n is not equal to 69, and we enter it. So we do the same thing. We should get 1 and negative 69. Wait, 1 and 5 I meant. And there we are. We have a working minimum and maximum program in Python. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.